Today's lesson is the 8th lesson in Chapter 3, multiply 3 factors. And what we are going to do today, we will find the product of 3 factors, as you can see here. So, to start, my heroes, I want you to open your books page, 138. So go ahead, everyone. Open your books, page 138. Okay. We have an example here in this page. So we start with this one. Okay, just a second. Again. Okay, so let's start with this one. This example. We need to find 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. In this case, as you can see here, we have brackets or parentheses. This parenthesis. We need to find first 5 multiplied by 2. And what is 5 multiplied by 2? 10. So we just need to write here that 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. I see what happened. Just a second. Ow. I think it's a problem with the socket that I'm using. It keeps disconnect. I will try not to touch it. Okay, so anyways, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and we should multiply this by 3. So what should be the product? 30. Any problems? No. Okay. We have another way to do this, and this way is by multiplying the 2 and the 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equals, so 5 multiplied by 6, the product should be 30. Excellent. Any problems? And now, I want to ask you this question. What should I write here?
7 multiplied by 3.
7? You mean 10? Okay, I need the final product. 30. So, the final product should be 30. We have a new property here that we should focus on. This property, we call it, I didn't touch it. Not yet? The AC? Okay, of course. So, we need to focus on the property that we can use here. I need a 26, it's better. You'll feel warm now. Feel warm. Okay, this property is called, this is a new one, associative. Associative. So, I write it. And you don't need to write it since it's already in the book. We call it associative property. It's in the book. No, it's already in your book. If you go back to the book, you will find it. Okay? Let's make it a little bit larger. So, what is this associative property of multiplication? Changing the grouping of factors does not change the product. As we see in the example, if we change the grouping, what is the meaning of the grouping? You can multiply the first and the second, then multiply the third. You can multiply the second and the third, then multiply the first. This is grouping. So, if we want to see this, we can see it here. Since we multiplied these two first in the first time, in the second time we multiply the second and the third factors. And we get the same product. We get the same answer. So this is associative property. Repeat it for me. Again, what is the property? Associative. Associative property. Associative. Okay. Now, we have another example here. We need to find 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. And in this case, we can use commutative property. What is commutative property? Change the order. So commutative property of multiplication, change the order of factors. So as you see here, we change the order, the 7 and the 2. We change it to be 2 first, then 7. So this is commutative property. And now we can use associative property to multiply 4 and 2 before we multiply the 7. So do you see the difference between commutative and associative? The difference again. The commutative property change the order, change places. The first goes second and the second goes first. Or the second goes third, the third goes second, and so on. This is changing places or order. But in associative property, we do not change the order. Look with me here. 4 is the first, right? It's the first. 2 is the second. It's the second. We didn't change. 7 is last, so it's the last one. So we didn't change the order, but we changed the brackets. Look at the brackets, these brackets. It's here. Then we get it here. What is the meaning of this? Instead of multiplying 2 by 7 first, we can multiply 4 by 2 first. So, let's multiply 4 by 2. What is 4 multiplied by 2? 8. Oh, sorry. And 8 multiplied by 7? 56. So the product is 56. And this makes 4 multiplied, which is the question, the original question. Look, this is the original question. This one. It's the same down here. 4 multiplied by the quantity 7 multiplied by 2. We used commutative, then associative, and we found that the product should be 56. Any problems?
No.
Okay, Muhammad Sabia, do you have any problems?
No.
Are you Muhammad?
No.
I'm speaking to Muhammad. Muhammad, are you with us? Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. I was just checking. So now, my heroes, let's move to the book. And let's start with the first question here. Kareem? Where is Kareem? Okay, Kareem. We need to multiply, find the product. 3 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Go ahead. Start with this. 3 multiplied by 2 is? Muhammad, do not use your mic. Multiplied by 2. Now, so this is 6 multiplied by 2 equals, Kareem, go. 6 multiplied by 2. It's 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. And this makes our product to be 12. Any problems?
No.
Okay. Next. Where's Muhammad al-Hawil?
He's not here.
He's not here. Okay. Muhammad Fahad?
Yes.
Where? Okay, Muhammad. In the next question, someone is singing. Okay, stop it, please. Go ahead, Muhammad. We need to start with 4 multiplied by, look at the board. 4 multiplied by 3. So go ahead. What is 4 multiplied by 3? Oh, this is not plus, it's multiplied by. You should repeat the 4 3 times or repeat the 3 4 times. 12. And my heroes, should I write 12 here?
No.
What? Someone said yes.
No.
No. Why? Because we have 3 here already. So do not forget to write this 3. Then multiplied by the product of this, which is 12. Sorry, you said 12, yes? Yes, okay. Do you know 3 multiplied by 12?
I know. 21. I know.
Yes, what?
36.
Excellent, it's 36, that's right. But in fact, I don't know. What?
Yes, 36.
So let's make it another way. I need a smart way. Let's go back and I will think that I don't know 3 multiplied by 12. So I think that it's better for us to multiply 3 and 3 first.
6. 9.
It's 9. But how can we do this? It's 9. But I need to know how we can multiply 3 by 3. They are not next to each other. Yes. But the problem here is that this one is in the first and this one is last. I want them to be near to each other. Do you have an idea? Yes?
We will multiply 3 by 4.
No, I want to multiply 3 by 3. Huh?
Okay, we change the order.
Yes, I like this. Who's this? Who are you? Muhammad al-Fawid?
No,
Muhammad Hani. I like your answer, Muhammad. So let's change the order. And we call this, do you remember? What is the property? Commutative property. So we multiply 3 by 3 multiplied by 4. This is commutative property. What we did now is just changing the order. Just changing the order. Why? Because we need to multiply 3 by 3 first. So we should get them next to each other. And now we can multiply 3 by 3 first, then multiply the 4. What do we call this property when we change the grouping? Yes, yes. Associative. So it's called associative property. So this is associative property. Now, Muhammad Fahd, continue. 3 multiplied by 3 equals? 9. And 9 multiplied by 4? We know it already. 36. Yes. So the product is 36. Okay. Go ahead, everyone. Finish writing. Go ahead. And when you finish, turn to the next page. In the next page, try to solve questions 3 and 4. Muhammad Sven, did you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, when you finish writing, try to solve questions 3 and 4. In the next page. Yes. Who helped you?
No, I'm very good at math.
Who are you? What's your name? Oh, sorry. Sorry, no. Okay, go ahead. Let's show me the steps. Who are you? Okay, but you should leave it off though. We can sit here. We can go and move it to a little bit. You didn't try the steps. My dear, I'm waiting for you to finish writing. Go. Go and take a look. Go. What? 2 multiplied by 3 equals. Do you see this in the book? Who are you? Come in. Come in. What you see? Just a second more. Where can I hear it? You do 3 and 4, yes. Multiply 3 by 2 first. Multiply by 7. So write 6, multiply by 7. That's right, just right. Is there any problem? Okay, 6 multiplied by 7. What is 6 multiplied by 6?
6 multiplied by 6.
No, I'm asking him. What is 6 multiplied by 5? So 6 multiplied by 6, you add 6. 30 plus 6 is? So now, add another 6 to get 6 multiplied by 7. That's it. Okay, is there anyone writing?
No.
So let's move to the next page. I asked you to solve questions 3 and 4. You don't need to tell me, my hero. So let's start with question number 3. Yasin?
Yes, teacher.
This is Yasin? Okay, Yasin. Go ahead. Huh?
Okay, equals 6.
So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we need to multiply. Don't forget that we have another factor. 7. So 6 multiplied by 7? 42. Excellent. So the answer is 42. I don't need to write it 2 times, so I will write it 1 time only. Any problems?
No.
Yusuf? Where? Yes, Yusuf. Okay. Any problems there? Stop talking, my hero. Stop speaking to your friend. Go ahead, Yusuf. So we need to write 5 multiplied by, and we should find 4 multiplied by 2 first. Okay, now, what is the product of 5 multiplied by 8? What's your name? Okay, Megan, I don't like to begin it. Sit prepared. 35. Oh, you're not using your fingers, so what are you counting?
5.
So, oh, wait. We need 8 fingers. So? No. Okay, again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. These are 8 fingers now. So, the answer should be 40. Any problems?
No.
Okay. Try to solve question number 5. When you finish, raise your hand. Question number 5. What did you do? No, I'm asking about 5. What did you do to solve 5? No, I don't like this. 18 multiplied. Do you keep the timetable of 18? Do you keep the timetable of 18? So how could you know that 18 multiplied by 2 equals this number? What's your name? Ring or a store? Good. What's your answer? And now your answer is wrong for question number 5. Please open your book. What did you do to get this answer? Nothing. I don't like this. Remind me, what's this? Wow. And the rest are some. No? Do you have anything? You're covering your answer. I'm not cheating, my hero. I see what you're doing. Nothing? Nothing. Okay. I have two here still now, Ibrahim and Muhammad Hani. You are 2 stars. So, Muhammad, you answered. So, let's see Ibrahim. Ibrahim,
Yes.
go ahead. But just a second. I prefer if we multiply the 3 by the 2 first.
I will change
So,
the order.
so 3 multiplied by, okay, just a second. We will change the order here. So 6 multiplied by 3, right?
Yes.
Then multiplied by 2. Now, use associative property to multiply 3 by 2 first. It will be the same as 6 multiplied by 6
6 multiplied by 6
equals,
is 30.
excellent. I think this is better than your answer. But your answer, of course, is correct. I like it. Any problems?
No. Teacher.
Do question number 6.
I did it.
Okay. I'll see. Do it the same way. Did you hear me?
Yes.
I'm speaking to you. Yes, you. Again, your name? Marwan. Solve question number 6.
I will not understand.
What is 5 multiplied by 3? Oh, but we don't keep the timetable of 15. We don't know 3 multiplied by 15.
I don't.
So it's better to multiply this 3 with
3.
this 3, right? We need to get them near to each other. So change the order first. So this 3 as it is. Then get this one here. And the 5 here. Now, this is commutative property. We change the order. So next, you will multiply 3 by 3.
Yeah.
Just put them in one bracket. So, in the same parentheses, we write 3 multiplied by 3, then 5. What is 3 multiplied by 3? Do not speak. Okay, louder. Speak up. I don't listen. Cannot hear. Whatever you are doing, tell us. You are using your fingers like this? Okay, so this is 3 multiplied by 3, and you'll make 3 and count this. Or what? Okay, these are 3 and each one has 3. Count. Count the total. Loudly, speak up. So, that's right. So, 9. I should write here 9 multiplied by 5. And what is 9 multiplied by 5? It's 9 multiplied by 10 and take 5.
What's
45. So the answer here is 45. And of course in question 5 it's 36. Okay, try to solve questions 7 and 8. Go ahead. Write everything. my heroes, is this important?
Yeah.
Of course. That's what we did to get the answer 36. So please write everything you see. Please. Who's asking? You? What's your name? Twice. Did you hear me? What did I say?
Sir, I finished.
Here. Go ahead.
Sir, I
Nice. Wow. Okay, that's good. What are you gathering?
I didn't finish.
Let me see what you're doing.
I didn't finish.
He's right. He's right.
Yeah.
I should move it a little bit. Oh no! Go ahead. Who finished? Please raise your hand. If you finished, please raise your hand so I can know. You finished? Are you sure? I don't believe this.
I'm just doing the recover of the answer. I'm just recovering them.
Guys, please do not let anyone help you to solve it before we did. Okay? Please write everything you see in the board. And this is your last warning.
Why?
Write everything.
I don't everything wrong.
No, write the steps, my hero. These steps, write it. This, write it. This, write everything. Who else was raising his hand? Okay, I'll come to you.
I want to see.
Oh, wow. Right, Muhammad. What was that?
Because my mom is the math teacher.
But you're not showing me what you did. You said here 40, but you didn't multiply the 2. You should multiply the 2 also. Anyone else? Okay. Sabia, are you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
4 multiplied by 10 equals 4.
Do you keep the timetable of 40?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I don't keep it.
You need to know that.
I don't know it. So, we need to use another way. So, let's multiply 4 by 2 first. But this time, I will make it in one step. How? I will write it like this. 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. And I need to multiply the 4 and 2 first.
Sure, that's what I write.
So,
2 equals 8.
so it's 8 multiplied by,
10.
and the product should be
80.
excellent. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work.
Teacher,
Yes?
I will erase one.
Did I tell you that your answer is good?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's okay. If you want to write this also, it's okay. Because we don't keep the timetable of 40. So you don't need to use it. Use things that you know already. But I told you that it's okay because I see that you know how to multiply tens.
Teacher.
Okay. Where's yes? Who's asking? Any questions?
No, that.
Muhammad Mahdi?
No.
Muhammad Mahdi?
No.
Where? Raise your hand. Muhammad Mahdi. This is.
I'm not Muhammad Mahdi.
You are Muhammad Mahdi or Muhammad Hani? I want Muhammad Mahdi. Muhammad Mahdi? Okay, the next question, Muhammad. If you multiply 0 by 7, we get? Do not speak. 0 multiplied by any number gives? No, 0. 0 by any number gives 0. Okay? So, we can write it 6 multiplied by the product of this, which is 0. So, 6 multiplied by 0. No, 0. So the product here is 0, and here it's 80. Okay, my heroes? Please finish writing quickly. Do you have any problems? No. Any questions? No. Okay, thank you, and thank you, Muhammad. I will end the session. Muhammad Sibaya, did you finish writing? Yeah. Okay, I will end the session now.